Tired of kitchen chaos? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your cooking and simplify mealtime like never before. This incredible 9-in-1 appliance combines a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, and more, all in one sleek design. Imagine decluttering your countertops and replacing multiple gadgets with just one powerful device. It's a true kitchen powerhouse. With 15 customizable smart programs, from perfect poultry to flawless rice, you can achieve gourmet results at the touch of a button. No more guesswork. Simply select your desired setting, and the Duo Plus does the rest, ensuring consistently delicious meals every time. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means healthier cooking and super easy cleanup. A huge win for any busy home chef. What truly sets the Instant Pot Duo Plus apart is its unmatched versatility and intelligent design, making healthy, home-cooked meals accessible to everyone. If you're looking to buy the ultimate kitchen gadget for 2025 that saves time and elevates your meals, this is it. Don't wait to transform your culinary journey. Find the best deals and grab your Instant Pot Duo Plus today via the Amazon link in the description below. We wholeheartedly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus as the indispensable kitchen appliance that delivers convenience, quality, and deliciousness daily.